Hey, Chris here, Estimating Expert YouTube channel. Today I'm going to show you how to use the Hyperlink tool in Bluebeam. It can be helpful for when you have a large drawing set and you want to navigate and jump between areas. So I'm going to show you a really simple example. I got a drawing here and it has a detail reference to another drawing. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to zoom in on that and I'm going to go up here to Tools and I'm going to click Hyperlink. Alternatively, you can click Shift H, which is what I do a lot of times. And then I just draw a rectangle around this little area and it'll give you a box here that you can do all sorts of stuff. You can have it jump to a certain page, a certain area on a drawing. You can have it open a website. You can have it open a document. For this example, I'm just going to show you an easy example. I'm going to give this a reference to another drawing. So I'm going to say get rectangle. And then I'm going to pick where I want to go. So I'm going to navigate to AE 2.01, which is right here. Then I'm just going to draw a rectangle around this and then click OK. Now when I go back to this drawing and I hover over this, it's a hyperlink. So if I'm doing my thing and I'm going through my drawings and I need to go back to this drawing, I can just click this and it'll take me right there. So that's kind of cool. Another very small example is, and you would probably never do this, but use the hyperlink on the same drawing. So another example, just highlight a text and then say get rectangle on this text. And maybe you want to just see that. Next time you go over here and click this text, it'll take you right to that note. So that's one very small example of how you can use hyperlinks in Bluebeam to enhance your takeoff efficiency. If you like this video and you learned something, please like and subscribe and comment, because that's the stuff that's going to keep me doing more of these videos. And I appreciate it, and see you on the next one. Thanks.